Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to get a paysafe MasterCard. I know that there are a lot of people out there who are looking for a way to pay for things online without using a credit card. And a paysafe MasterCard is a great option for that. So, if you're interested in learning more, then stick around. What is a paysafe MasterCard? A paysafe MasterCard is a prepaid debit card that you can use to make online purchases. It's a great way to keep your financial information safe, as you don't have to provide your credit card number to the merchant. How to get a paysafe MasterCard? There are a few different ways to get a paysafe MasterCard. You can either purchase one online or at a retail store. Online. To purchase a paysafe MasterCard online, you will need to provide your name, address, and date of birth. You will also need to choose a denomination. Paysafe MasterCards are available in denominations ranging from $10 to $1,000. Once you have provided all of the necessary information, you will be able to purchase your paysafe MasterCard. Retail store. You can also purchase a paysafe MasterCard at a retail store. Simply go to a store that sells gift cards and ask for a paysafe MasterCard. How to activate your paysafe MasterCard? Once you have purchased your paysafe MasterCard, you will need to activate it. You can do this by going to the paysafe website and entering your card number and PIN. How to use your paysafe MasterCard? Once your paysafe MasterCard is activated, you can use it to make online purchases. Simply enter your card number and PIN at the checkout screen. Benefits of using a paysafe MasterCard. There are a number of benefits to using a paysafe MasterCard. Here are a few of the most important. Security. Paysafe MasterCards are a great way to keep your financial information safe. You don't have to provide your credit card number to the merchant, so there is no risk of your information being stolen. Convenience. Paysafe MasterCards are easy to use. You can simply use them to make online purchases just like you would a credit card. Flexibility. Paysafe MasterCards are available in a variety of denominations, so you can choose the one that is right for you. Affordability. Paysafe MasterCards are a relatively affordable way to make online purchases. Drawbacks of using a paysafe MasterCard. There are also a few drawbacks to using a paysafe MasterCard. Here are a few of the most important. Fees. There are some fees associated with using a paysafe MasterCard. These fees vary depending on the provider and the type of card you have. Limited availability. Paysafe MasterCards are not available everywhere. You may have to search for a retailer that sells them. Expiration date. Paysafe MasterCards have an expiration date. Once your card expires, you will need to get a new one. Overall, I think that paysafe MasterCards are a great option for people who are looking for a safe and convenient way to make online purchases. They are easy to get, easy to use, and affordable. If you're looking for a way to pay for things online without using a credit card, I highly recommend getting a paysafe MasterCard. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance.